Oh, let's break. Oh, how bad does it turn now?
Oh man, look at this. Look at that ice. Oh!
That's crazy.
Look at that, there's
so
just
bad.
ice. Oh, hold on. Okay, stop. Dropping it for a second. Okay, there's a cracked corner. Probably from dropping it on the concrete.
Yeah.
There's ice all over this thing.
Alright, let's melt the ice.
There's a crack in it right there. There's more ice everywhere in it.
There's ice.
We froze a Chi 3x3 in the snow.
That's because it broke.
So now let's dig it up and see.
Okay, let's dig it up.
You got the shovel?
Yeah, but it has... Oh, this is packed snow. I think we almost got it. Oh.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. And the color scheme is wrong.
Oh.
Right,
Oh man. Hey, at least it turns.
It's not.
I'm gonna try and turn this.
Oh.
Oh! It is still frozen. I ran it under hot water and the hot water froze. I'm gonna have to try it again. Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. Now I'll give it some turns, and oh man. Don't do this.
Why would I ever do that?
This is how to break your 4x4. This thing is all wet. There we go.
This is much better with snow and ice. Ew. That is. But
Oh,
it
but
smells. And
That 3x3 is. Yeah.
Go.
Go. Yeah, it's on. Ah! That didn't go quite as far as I wanted it to. 1, go. 1, go. That went like 6 meters into the air.
Alright, now let's see how it...
1, go. One. Uh-oh. Is it broken? I don't know yet. Oh, yep, the corner is. I'm surprised the corner. I'm surprised that's all that happened, is the corner got cracked. To a queue. Now it's all soapy. Yeah. Oh. Oh! Oh! That's the end of that 8x8. Oh. Well, that's the end of this 8x8. Oh man, I don't want to dig up all those pieces. And it's so cold. There we go. Yeah. Alright, now hammer it. Oh! Oh!
Yes! Okay, this is really great. This is great. This is really, really great. Okay.
Oh! Haha!
I missed.
Oh! Did it go in the strainer?
Did what?
That piece.
No.
Uh-oh.
No pieces. What?
Yes, that one did go in.
Which one?
The one that's in the strainer.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay.
We got
Oh.
our cubes burned in there. I can still see a piece of a 3x3
Yeah,
right
that's the
there.
3x3. This is for the 4x4.
Let's dig them up now.
Really bad. I'm so happy.
Alright.
They're gone. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Is it hot?
Oh, that's terrible.
It's not. Okay, so it looks like there was the cap.
No,
The
not
cap
the
has.
Oh, the screw.
Or there was
centerpiece.
the close centerpiece has melted. The place with the screw.
The color
And-
fire.
This edge looks like it's melted to it.
Yeah.
And then we have the plastic is
Bubbling up.
like it's bubbled. We have a lot of cracks in it. And it looks like something happened right here. Now, let's check on the 3x3, which is probably even worse.
Oh, the 3x3 actually literally caught on fire.
Yes, it did. And we tried to catch the 4x4 on fire.
It caught on fire.
Oh. Okay, one thing, it smells horrible. This thing smells awful. So, okay, it looks like it has pieces and sticks stuck to it and burned
Pieces of
to
the
it.
4x4 stuck to it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
It looks like it has a
Wow.
melted hole in there. I wouldn't
What
dare
is
to
that?
try and turn this thing.
I would.
Okay, give it a try.
No.
Oh, that smells.
It's melted.
It smells like someone barbecued plastic.
That's what we
It
did.
smells like Rubik's cubes.
That's what we did.
Okay,
Oh, that's what it smells like. A
let's get these.
factory.
I believe we damaged it so much that it can't possibly get damaged anymore.
What did
Okay.
it do now?
Just a few caps fell off and broke. That thing was already broken, so that is.
Let's take it apart and look at the core.
I wouldn't dare to take that thing apart.
I would.
Let's just. Oh. Okay.
To a Rubik's cube.
Alright, how about let's just bury them? Okay. Putting all these pieces in here to the 3x3. We'll bury the 3x3 first and then the challenging one because more pieces fell off of it. The 4x4. I'll put this in here.
Now that there's no more team 4x4.
Okay. These are all 4x4 pieces.
That looks like the 8x8 fell off.
Ah, yeah. We need to bury it. Probably about 20 centimeters, maybe?
Yeah.
I want to keep all this dirt up here because I'm gonna put the dirt over.
We have an 18 centimeter roof, so we'll know how big one is. Because we have an 18.
Actually, I don't think we need to go 20 centimeters. That's kind of deep.
We can do Can I try?
That's probably about. That's good enough. I think that's deep enough.
No, it's not. We need it right? Okay. This way.
That will work probably. 3x3 has all its pieces. Bye bye, Chi 3x3. Alright, now. Okay. Stop hitting the cube. Let's put all this dirt back on. Okay, stop hitting the cube and put the dirt on. Or the snow.
The dirt and the snow. Yeah, this 3x3 has been through so much.
Yeah.
It got launched up into the air. It got frozen in ice. Put baking soda and vinegar in it. It's been through so much. It's been hit off the bunk bed with the mallet.
Yeah. Now we need a rock. Alright, there we go. Now, let's dig up a hole for the 4x4. But make sure we don't. I believe that's it. Here's the 4x4. And this is the end of it.
Oh, that's so gross. Maybe we should pack it into there. Yeah. Get all those pieces around it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we
We
go.
don't want it sticking out of the ground.
No, we don't. Hand me that rock. Stick it in here. And then mallet. I'm gonna do this. Mallet. Hand me the mallet.
That is going to be hard to get back.
Alright, now I'll pack it up with stuff so the wind doesn't blow it over. And there goes the Chi 4x4 and 3x3.
There we go. Now we're going.
Alright.
Best day ever.
Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. And this was a really funny experience. Burning cubes and catapulting them and all kinds of things. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.